Hello all, we'll see some problems on DFA. We'll see one example. Find a deterministic acceptor equivalent to m equal to q0 q1 q2 ab delta q0 q2, where transition diagram is given. So this data is given, we have to find out DFA. Deterministic acceptor means we have to find out DFA equivalent to given data. So here m equal to, so here m is the name of DFA. So these values are given in 5 notations. It means first bracket is Q, this one is sigma, delta, Q0, Q2. So here Q0 is given, it means this is initial state, and last state is Q2, so it means Q2 is final state. So here transition diagram is given, we have to find out DFA. Now for conversion of NFA to DFA, we need table. It means if transition diagram is given in our example, we need to convert this transition diagram into transition table. We'll write the transition table of given diagram, that is NA. So 3 states are given and inputs are A and B. Your input alphabet is A and B, and 3 states are given, that is Q0, Q1, Q2. So we have to convert this diagram into transition table. It means we'll write these entries from this diagram. So whatever the transitions are given for each state. Now for Q0, for A column, so what are the next states we have to write? Q0 goes to same state for A, and Q0 goes to Q1 for A. Again one more, no. So we are getting the 2 next states for input symbol A. So we'll write these entries Q0, Q1. Again for B, so these arrows are very important. We need to see the arrows. So this Q0 goes to Q2. Arrow is going from this to this. It means for B column entry, it goes to Q2 is the next state. Then for Q1 for A column entry. So for A, it goes to Q0. So here Q0 is the next state of Q1, and for B column entry, so Q1 goes to same state for B. Again only one next state is given for Q1, so it goes to same state. For Q2, so what is the transition for A column? So we'll see the arrows. There is only one transition from Q2, it goes to Q0 for B column entry, but there is no transition for A from state Q2. It means here no entry is given, will write dash. But for B, Q2 goes to Q1 for B, Q2 goes to Q0 for B. It means again there are two states, two next states from Q2 for B. So this is our transition table of NFA. Then we need to convert this transition table into DFA. We can start from, so Q0 is initial state and Q2 is final state. So we can make circle as Q2, Q2 is final state. We can start from initial state, Q0 is initial state. Whatever the entries are given in this table, we'll write the same values for initial state, that is Q0, Q1, and for B column Q2. Again, what is next step? It means which one is the new state. So except this one, which are the new entries from these two columns. So here this one is also new entry and this one is also new entry. We'll consider both. Q2, we'll write these two here. Then we have to write the entries for these states. Now for Q2, so what entries are given in this table, we'll write these entries. Here for Q2, for A column, no values is given. We'll write dash or 5 we can write. 5 means the empty. And for B column, Q0, Q1. Now again find out if any new state is given or not. So already we have taken this one here, so no new state is given. Again we'll write the entries for this state, that is Q0, Q1. So again we have to find out these values from this table, values of Q0, Q1 for A column entries. So what are the values here? Q0, Q1, Q0. Again Q0 is given twice, we'll write once. So here the entry is Q0, Q1. Again for B column, for Q0, Q1, Q2, Q1. We'll write in sequence Q1, Q2. Again any new state we are getting or not, we have to check. So here already we have taken Q0, Q1. So this one is new state. So we'll consider here Q1, Q2 is new state. Again write down the values from this table for Q1, Q2. So what are the values of Q1 and Q2 for A column? So only Q0 is given. We'll write here Q0. And for B column, for Q1, Q2, Q1, Q0, Q1. Again Q1 is given twice, but we'll write once and we'll write in sequence these values. So that is we get the state Q0, Q1. Again check that if you are getting new entry or not. So already we have taken Q0 and Q0, Q1. So we can terminate this table, and this table is your DFA table, transition table of DFA. Again finally we can convert this transition table into transition diagram. So here total number of states are 4. We'll form 4 circles. Q0, Q2, Q0, Q1, Q1, Q2. Then we'll show the arrows. So this one is the initial state. We can show the arrow for initial state. Q0 goes to this one for A, Q0 goes to Q2 for B, Q2 there is no transition for A, Q2 goes to this state Q0 Q1 for B, Q0 Q1 goes to same state for A and it goes to this Q1 Q2 for B, Q1 Q2 goes to Q0 for A and Q1 Q2 goes to Q0 Q1 for B. So in this way we can convert NFA to DFA. If transition diagram is given, we need to convert that transition diagram into transition table, then convert that transition table of NFA to transition table of DFA.